New at noon, Broward County deputies say they've arrested a serial thief accused of stealing construction equipment. Deputies just held a news conference in Dania Beach, and Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore is there with more.
And BSO detectives believe this is part of a much larger theft ring, at least when it comes to the equipment and possible suspects still out there. I want to show you some of the equipment that they've recovered so far, and this is just some of it, but it is tens of thousands of dollars worth of construction site equipment. Very important for people who are trying to work and get their job done. Now, we want to show you the suspect that has been arrested. Take a look at Dwight Pearson. They say Crime Stoppers tips led to him, and now he is behind bars facing a list of charges. Deputies also say this surveillance video helped. They say it shows Pearson and another man who they have not identified yet or arrested, stealing a Pompano Beach construction site just last week right at that site. They have also been able to link at least half a dozen burglaries to this duo, taking thousands of dollars in items like saws, wiring, and other expensive equipment. Now deputies need to reunite this equipment with their owners.
The suspect gave a confession to what he did. He's part of a crew working between North Dade and North Broward County, stealing from construction sites. We have a second suspect identified we're currently looking for now. And more property, we're going through the North Dade area collecting more property so we can return it to its owners.
So you heard there that they say they do know who that suspect is, but they have not yet arrested that other suspect, so they're not identifying him at this time. They're actively looking for them, and they're looking for owners of construction site equipment that may have been stolen. Already they've been able to reunite some of this equipment with their owners, and they are looking for others who may be missing very expensive pieces of work material. We're live in Dania Beach. Derek Shore, Local 10 News.